Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to apply a travel visa, or in other terms a visit visa, to Iceland. Before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So whatever I tell in this video has no legal validity. This video is totally based on my knowledge research, and it is just to guide you how to use a service, and if I use any data in this video, that is totally sample data. So in front of you I have opened this Iceland official site, government of Iceland, where they have information about visa to Iceland. Okay, so basically Iceland is part of this Schengen countries. So with a Schengen visa you can visit Iceland, but there are certain rules with Schengen visas, like how you should apply, like if you are entering like where you are going to spend most of the time, first country you visit. There are so many rules. Okay, so based on that you are going to apply. So that is what we are going to see here. All right, so on the same page you have this, where can I apply for Schengen visa to Iceland. They have clearly given this information, and where you can apply in India for Indian residents. Specifically they have given like this. Not everyone needs, like if you're Canadian citizen you don't need, but when you click for India it redirects you to VFS Global. So here they have given the step, like apply for a visa, book for appointment, find a center, and then you go for it. So apply for a visa, if I click on start now, what do I see? Identify visa application, begin application, book an appointment. That's how it goes. So first step is to determine which visa you need, visa type. So now let's say we know which visa type, like visit visa, short term. Now next is to begin our application. So for Iceland you need to fill this form. Okay, you must print and sign the cover letter and hand in supporting documents and supply biometrics at visa application center. You need to of course book an appointment along with completely filled visa application form. Handwritten forms they are not allowing. So let's open both of these links and see what we have got over there. So application for Schengen visa, this is the one, and this is from Iceland. Okay, so here it says a visa application using this. You should fill this after you have applied. You must print an visa application along with visa application form. Okay, fine. So this is the flag of Iceland, and it's just a 2 pages form. So we will start with this form. Okay, so I just select this, let's say this one, next. Okay, so I'm gonna put some samples here. So after personal details it is asking about travel documents. So again I'm gonna include some sample data. Now applicant continues. See, not all the fields are mandatory, but if you have the information, why to hide it? There's no reason. So I'm gonna put some sample. Now this is really important for your visa application, because for all Schengen visa you see this, right, member state of first entry. So in this case I'm just doing Iceland, but in your case you need to understand the rules very carefully and then apply. Number of entries, I say multiple. Intended date of travel, I'm just putting a sample. Intended date of departure. Inviting person, but do not fill it is for tourism, so I am not doing this, and we can click on next. So in the next page this is just like confirmation, so I'm not going to submit it. There's no point. Again I have to print after that, but I just don't want to submit it. Document checklist is given here. You can see what are the documents you need. Tourist visa checklist, biometric data collection requirements. Okay, now let's go to the other form that was sent to us. So this is for the photo, first name, last name. Coming to this form, this has also got the similar data, and you need to print. I mean, you can type and fill these forms. All data is almost same, and then you need to place and date you can put here and then sign. So that's how simple it is, guys. And the next step, schedule appointment and then pay your fee, and then you need to visit the visa application with your appointment, and that's it. You can submit, and then if things go smoothly, you're gonna get the visa. So thanks for watching this, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Please subscribe to the channel.